Thank you for choosing the patented Maguire iron pressure relief valve to help manage your water system's pressure. Please follow the step-by-step instructions to install and use the pressure relief valve. Screw the 2.5-inch brass side coupler of the pressure relief valve onto the side of the fire hydrant. Once attached, fully open the hydrant. Turn the 5/8-inch adjustment nut on the pressure relief valve counterclockwise to uncompress the tension spring until water releases from the pressure relief valve. Turn the 5/8-inch adjustment nut clockwise to compress the tension spring until water stops flowing from the pressure relief valve. Now that the water is not flowing, turn the 5/8-inch adjustment nut another 1.5 times clockwise to compress the tension spring and set the pressure. You can check the pressure on the pressure gauge. If applicable, attach a hose with a 2.5-inch brass fitting to divert the water release from the pressure relief valve. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 605-334-9749 or email us at info@maguireiron.com. Thank you again for choosing the Maguire Iron Pressure Relief Valve.